Hello my dear students of class 10. Today from same book Footprints Without Feet chapter 2 today the thief's story. Okay. Today I am going to tell you summary of this story, the thief's story. You know students, means we are human beings and human beings have quality that they also means may be changed by the good treatment and well behavior. Okay, all the criminals and guilty persons having no as same souls. We have learned a lot of lessons as means having we get that in the conclusion time at last means persons become changed by the good treatment. So means punishment is not only the treatment of guilty persons. If we will do good behavior, well behavior with them, then they also may be changed. Okay, because we are human beings, we are most sensitive than all the creatures in the world. So means whatever treatment means psychological means effect may be on that person if anyone will treat well with any guilty person and if any thief also. Okay, so let's start the chapter. It is the story of a 15-year-old young boy whose name was Hari Singh. Hari Singh was a thief, but very experienced thief he was, having much more experience of robbery and theft. Okay, means Hari Singh the thief means was very expert, and means after robbing, after theft, he have always changed his name and place also after cheating his employers. Okay, so he have neither home nor his own any identity, and he was means fully illiterate, having no friends, no one of his in this world. Okay, मीन्स ऐसे लोग भी अपराधी बनते हैं कि जिनकी बहुत सारी मजबूरियां होती हैं, जिनका परिवार नहीं होता है, जिनको और कोई ऑक्यूपेशन नहीं होता है, बट इट इज़ नॉट ईजी वे ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी शुड लर्न द लेसन हाउ टू लिव. ओके, सो मीन्स वॉट एवर ऑप्शन हरी हैव selected, it is not good. Once Hari Singh means meeting with Anil. Hari Singh Anil के साथ मिला. Anil also a very kind-hearted man having 25-year-old, and he met with Anil in a wrestling match. एक जगह wrestling match हो रहा था, वहाँ पे अनिल गया था और हरी सिंह ने देखा कि ये बहुत ही दयालु हृदय का, बहुत ही ईजी पर्सन है, नॉर्मल पर्सन है, चलो अब की बार नेक्स्ट विक्टिम इसी को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. सो ही हैव चूज एज द नेक्स्ट विक्टिम अनिल दैट टाइम. ओके, एंड ही मेट हिम, टॉक विथ हिम अबाउट दिस कंडीशंस फॉर बीइंग ए सर्वेंट. मीन्स अनिल से मिला हरी सिंह और उसने कहा कि मैं आपके यहाँ काम करना चाहता हूँ. आई विल do the duty as the servant at your home. Then Anil means after requesting means several times, Anil become agreed, but he have told that he will means kept him at his home as the servant, but he should cook the food for him without any proper salary, without any regular salary. Okay, on that condition also Hari become agreed. He become ready for the cooking food of Anil without any regular salary. Okay, then means Hari as Anil servant. Hari started his work as the servant at the home of Anil. Anil was a story writer. He have also not a permanent job, neither high salary. But due to kind-hearted people, he become agree to live with the Hari Singh. Okay, so Hari Singh and Anil Both was living together, Hari Singh as servant and Anil was as the owner, as the master. You know, Hari Singh had told him lie, means he was knowing how to cook. He don't know how to cook. One day he have means cook a meal, very horrible meal he have cooked, and it having no taste. Then Anil had decided to leave him, and he have scolded him also, but Hari was smiling that time and not ready to leave his home. Okay, after this incident, means Anil had decided to teach him how to write and read, and he also decided to teach him how to cook. So in this way, Anil become the best teacher of Hari Singh. Okay. Hari was taking 1 rupees daily when he was going to shopping, but Anil have not minded. He was knowing these things but having no care. One day, means because Anil was a writer, he had published books and a publisher have given him means the returning of his book 600 rupees. Then Anil have kept that rupees under to mattress. Okay, and Hari was seeing that. Hari had stolen that money 600 rupees and he want to cheat his friend, and after taking money he went to a station, at the station for the Lucknow Express, for catching the Lucknow Express, but after some time his mind become changed and he also have no dare to cheat this type of kind-hearted person, and he also didn't want to means break the trust of Anil, because he was a good friend for his life, and he also not want to left the chance to being a gentleman and educated person, because in his life having nothing, so he want to change himself. Okay, after coming this thinking in his mind, what happened, you know, Hari restored the stolen money. Hari returned back from there and he have kept that money under to same mattress, and this incident Anil was seeing, but he had said nothing because he was knowing that means it's not totally is Hari's mistake, because lack of money and lack of freedom, anyone can do this type of crimes. So he also become very shut of his mouth and he have said nothing. Means on the place of Anil, if any another person may be, then he had must hand over the hand of that criminal into the hand of police, but Anil have not done as. Okay, because he want to offer a chance of Hari for being changed, for being reformed. अनिल चाहता था कि हरी जो है वो बदल जाए, ऐसा ना करे, इसलिए उसने कुछ नहीं कहा और वो चुपचाप देखता रहा। नेक्स्ट डे उसने सो भी नहीं किया कि वो जानता है कि तुमने पैसे चुराए थे फिर लाके वहाँ पे रख दिए। नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग टाइम अनिल हैव गिवन 50 rupees to Hari and promised him, means from that time he will give him regular salary per month. Okay, in this way Hari become changed and he also become faithful and a gentle person, and because the good treatment of Anil. Okay, so I want to say you student the sum up of this chapter, the conclusion of this chapter, the thief's story. Means we can say that means nothing is impossible if we will change our feelings and thoughts, and if that thoughts we will bring in our activity, means if we will do good work, then our life also will be good and our future also will be means delightful and full with happiness. Okay, So always do your best and teach the lesson another's also for doing best and treat with another's well way. Okay.